A virtual road. Simulating complex traffic makes self-driving safer and closer into our life. A virtual transportation. Optimizing urban traffic enables daily commute more convenient and decision more efficient. A virtual city. Searching a mountain of data helps us understand it easier and manage it wiser. A virtual world, giving unlimited possibilities to the future, makes all our lives more convenient, interesting, and diverse. Anytime, anywhere, for anyone. As current technology evolves, it is reshaping our world. We firmly believe what we are creating in the virtual world will make a better real world.